This whole process has been an intimate collaboration between the New Zealand seafood industry, who want to do things better. It started with government-funded research into reasonably fundamental issues, and that followed through industrial applied research, and then prototyping, all the way through to the current program, PSH. We basically wanted to see where the benchmark was for hoki. Problem being is that they're between 2 and say 800 metres down, and we really didn't have any eyes on the problem, so we designed and built our own underwater cameras and had a look. And I think the aha moment was really, why do we have to strand these fish out? Why do we have to exercise and exhaust them? Why do we have to damage them? And we were sort of going, well, there must be good reasons. People haven't fished for 150 years with these methods for nothing, and the more we looked into it, the more we found that there weren't any real good reasons as to why we couldn't fit the in-trawl conditions to the animal. And we developed some concepts and prototypes and basically maintained as low a level of fatigue as possible. We ended up showing that the juveniles and fish that were coming into the catch were actually being selected out. One of the objectives is to make sure that any animal that does actually reach the surface, if we can't select it out in the gear, is actually delivered back to the sea, basically unharmed. When you realise that you can design a highly selective trawl, you're winning in many different ways. You're winning in unexplored properties, values that we haven't realised. You're producing a humane harvesting system so that the animals win. I think just a great story.
When we first started trialling, I was a total sceptic, thinking this is just a load of rubbish, but I've completely changed my mind.
What we're actually finding now is that some of the fish that's coming up, the crew are struggling to understand them because they're not what they expect.
We can release juvenile fish, we can aim better quality fish.
The net and harvesting technology is really just the start of the process. This will lead on to changes in the vessel designs and layouts, how we handle fish and get it into the marketplace. Really, the opportunities are endless.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the future of commercial fishing to me.